Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about some different type of products. Those are DC tube lights. DC means operated by 12 volt DC or 24 volt DC or even 110 volt DC. So we are specialists in the DC tube lights. In this, these tube lights are industrial grade. That means industrial grade means generally those are being fitted on machines, any machines. On the machines, 230 volt AC tube lights are not been allowed because if there is any leakage, the operator may have some shock. So internationally, it has been decided that all the tube lights or lights fitted on the machines should be DC tube lights, and we are specialists for that. There are two types what we manufacture. One is 1 feet and second is the 2 feet. Also, these tube lights are suitable for the splash of water. When the machine is being washed, the splash of water is also there. So it has to be splash proof for the water also. So all these precautions are being taken in these DC tube lights. Also, these DC tube lights are used for special type of automobile applications. We also supply for the defense where these DC tube lights are being used for the tanks, battle tanks. And in these battle tanks, very reliable type of DC tube lights are required, because suppose on this battle, if one tube light fails, it will not be possible to sustain in that battle tank. So these are the tube lights for defense are specially been manufactured, and those tube lights are not only DC, not only 24 volt DC or 12 DC, but the voltage range is also quite big. So whatever we give tube lights for the defense, those are suitable for, suppose it is 24 volt DC, those are suitable for 14 volt to 30 volt, because those are operable on the batteries inside that battle tank. Those batteries, when those are discharged, those are 40 volt, 14 volt, and when those are being fully charged, they are 30 volts. So same illumination has to be there throughout this total voltage range. So this type of particular DC tube lights are also been manufactured. Also, the temperature is the concern. For defense, what we supply are the minus 40 degree to plus 75 degrees weather conditions. That is again a difficult task. That also we supply. These are the plain tube lights. That means one color tube lights. But on some machines, those are required different color tube lights in a single body. That means there are 2 color, 3 color. These are the tube lights. DC tube lights are required on the machines. Those gives the coding. That means suppose the green light is there or red light is there, according to their coding, some work is going on the machine. You don't have to make the machine on. So this gives the coding for the operator or the machine maintenance staff to know what is the status of the machine. If it is a green, they have got some particular coding. For red, they have got a particular coding. But when the machine is running, it is completely white, so that the machine is running. This type of tube lights also we manufacture. So this is a complete range of DC tube lights, very specialized range of DC tube lights Mimic manufactures. Thank you.